In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download reservation list on Booking.com. This guide is for hosts and property partners who want to export booking data for reports, check-ins, or accounting, and will keep it clear and practical from start to finish. First, open a computer browser and go to admin.booking.com. The full extranet is where the export tools live, so using a desktop browser is important. Sign in, and if you manage more than one property, make sure the correct property is selected before you continue. Using an up-to-date browser helps, and it can prevent issues with downloads later. Once you're in, head to the Reservations section from the main menu. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Reservations or Reservations and Guest List. On this page, choose the view that shows the reservation list the way you need it, such as by date or by status. Common options include future arrivals, all bookings, or canceled reservations. Pick the view that best matches what you want to export, so the list you see on screen mirrors the data you plan to download. Now, refine the list with filters. Booking.com typically allows filtering by date range, arrival or departure dates, reservation status, and other useful criteria. Set the period you need, for example, from January 1st through December 31, and choose only confirmed bookings if that's your focus. Be mindful of which date field you're filtering by. Booking date and arrival date can produce different results. Also, note your property's time zone, since dates may roll over differently than expected. After applying filters, scan the table to confirm the list looks right before exporting. With the filtered list on screen, look for an Export or Download button. You'll usually find it above or below the reservation table. Click it, and the extranet will typically generate a file in XLS format, which opens in Excel by default. Some versions also let you choose CSV directly. Save the file to your computer. If nothing downloads, check your browser's download bar, or allow the site if a pop-up or download prompt was blocked. It's a good idea to rename the file with the date range so you can find it easily later. If the only option is Excel and you need CSV, open the file in Excel or Google Sheets and use Save As or Download as CSV. When converting, keep an eye on dates, currencies, and reservation IDs, so formats like leading zeros don't get lost. That's it. Your reservation list is ready to use for reports, check-ins, and accounting. Keep the file secure, and you'll be all set for your next export.